Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. In this video, I want to show you my honest review, and I hope I will be able to highlight all the pros and cons of this product. So let's begin.
So right now we're going to do a live demo of the software. Do not miss this. The results will shock you. Okay, so let me log into the software. If you're lucky enough to claim a free license, you'll get your own login. Okay, we're in. Look here, you click this button here to set up your own website. You can build your own website in only 3 simple steps. Before we do that, I want you to note the time. Look here, right now it's 5:19 p.m. Make sure you note the time. I guarantee that in less than 5 minutes, our software can build you a brand new, done-for-you website. It's crazy fast. So let's go back to the steps and let's click Build Your Site. The first part is so simple. All you do is sign up for a free account with ClickBank. ClickBank's a huge corporation. They've processed over $1 billion in sales. They'll pay you any affiliate commission you earn. It's like filling in any simple form. You enter some basic personal information, things like your name and your address. Then you click onto the next step and enter your banking information. You need to fill this in so you can get paid. Then, finally, you enter your account nickname and password. I'll use SamSmith78 for the account nickname. You can use whatever nickname you want. Enter a password and click Create Account. And that's it. Then go back to the software and type your ClickBank name into it. It's easy. Next, it's step 2. Here you choose a name for your website. You don't even have to think of one. Just choose one of our expert recommendations from the list. It's so simple. And finally, you sign up to an email service. I'll explain why you do that in a second. This link here takes you to a sign-up page where you sign up to a free account with Aweber. We recommend them because they're the best email service around. Once you're signed up with them, your final step is to copy a piece of text. You'll find it in your Aweber account. You copy it into here. Don't worry about this. It's so simple, I bet even an 8-year-old could do it. We walk you through it on this video. I'll copy and paste some text from my own personal Aweber account for now. All I do is copy and paste. That's it. Okay, so we're all done now. Let's leave the software working in the background, and while it builds our done-for-you website, let me explain exactly how this makes us money. So, as I mentioned earlier, we make money from affiliate marketing. Did you know that by 2020, the affiliate marketing industry is estimated to be worth $6.8 billion a year? Retail giants like Amazon pay out millions every year to their affiliates. As an affiliate, your job is to find people who want to buy a product and send them to a website which sells that product. When those people buy, you get paid commission. It's that simple. You don't have to develop or supply the products. That's the job of the website you send people to. Some websites will pay you 75% commission on the price of the product. That's insanely high. Okay, so you might have heard that making money online is easy. Maybe you could become a millionaire within a month. Yeah, right. Anyone who promises you that is a shameless scammer. The truth is that most people who try to make money online fail. We know what it feels like to fail. We know how much it hurts. It's not your fault. To make consistent money, you need to have the right tools and you need the secret shortcuts. After 9 years of experience as affiliates, we have the tools which actually work, and we know the secret shortcuts. That's how we make consistent money like this every single week. If you're a beginner, you face 3 challenges. Challenge 1, how do you build a website which can actually make you money? Solution, our software. 5-minute profit sites will build you the website you need. It's so simple, but proven to make money. Challenge 2, how do you find websites which sell great products? Products which you can sell as an affiliate and make you the most commission money. Solution, our software uses a secret algorithm to find the websites with the best products. It does all the hard work for you, so you have an easy shortcut to the highest commission payouts. Challenge 3, how do you find people to buy products from those websites? Solution, we will hold your hand and give you a proven step-by-step method to send thousands of people to those websites. Even a complete beginner can copy this proven step-by-step method to make fast and consistent money. All you need is 23 minutes a day. It's so simple that if I shared it with my grandpa, who's 78 years old and hates computers, I'm 100% confident that even he could make money with it. Okay, so let's go back to the software. Our website should be ready for us. And there we go. We've got a brand new done-for-you affiliate website. It's valued at $497, but if you own the FMPS software, it's free. It's fully hosted by us on our servers. Here you've got your own custom logo. Your website comes with a sales video presented by a professional actor. It's designed to convert visitors on your website to money in your bank account. It does this by promising them a free money-making system valued at $197. To download their free system, they click this button and enter their email. Then they land on this page. Here they can download their free system. At the same time, your website will send them to a ClickBank product through your ClickBank affiliate link, just like this. If they buy the ClickBank product, you get paid up to 75% commission for every sale. With such incredibly high affiliate commission, the potential to make money is huge. So, how long did it take to build our website? Remember it was 5:19 p.m. when we started step 1? Look here, it's now 5:24 p.m. So it took only 5 minutes to build our done-for-you affiliate website, exactly like I promised. As you saw in the live demo, to set up our website, all I did was click 17 times and fill in some basic information. Some simple form filling and 17 clicks to build a done-for-you website. That's it. It's a very simple looking website, but its profit potential is huge. Okay, so let me show you exactly how profitable this simple website can be. I've set up a brand new ClickBank affiliate account. Let me log into it. Give me a few seconds. Okay, we're in. Look here. It's not even earned $1 yet because it's a new account. I'm going to stop this video now and come back to it next week. Remember, the date today is Tuesday the 16th of January. I'll log into this same account next week to show you how fast the software can make money. In the meantime, we'll spend 23 minutes a day following the simple steps. By following the simple steps, we can send massive numbers of people every day from our affiliate website to websites selling products on ClickBank. With the simple steps, it's virtually impossible to fail. You don't want to miss this. Bye for now. Hello again, it's Sam here, and it's been exactly 6 days since we set up our done-for-you affiliate website and started using it with a new ClickBank account. Let's log in and see if we made any commission money. I'm so excited to show this to you. Let's do this. As you can see, it's currently Monday the 22nd of January. Remember we set up our website on Tuesday the 16th of January. In only 3 days, we made money. We made a whopping $662. Then, as you can see over the next few days, we made more money than the previous day. Today, we've made over $1,000. Each day we're making more money than the previous day. In total, so far, we've made $3,405 affiliate commission in only 6 days, all from a brand new account. Now do you believe how powerful the FMPS software is? Here's what our ClickBank account looked like before using the software. Here's what it looks like after using the software. Our software will find the best-selling products for you. It does all the hard work for you. All you need to do to get started is follow 3 simple steps to set up a done-for-you website. You watched me do that in less than 5 minutes and only 17 clicks.
Cool, right? Click the link in the description for my price discounted special.